microwave steamer designed to cook vegetables, fish, and poultry. Steam release vent on lid allows for splatter-free heating. Cool to the touch, easy lift tabs for easy opening of the steamer. Middle stalk of steamer basket stays cool so you can lift food out after cooking. 100% virgin plastic, phthalate and BPA-free. The Sistema Microwave Collection Steamer is designed to conveniently cook vegetables, fish, and poultry in the microwave. The lid features a steam release vent for splatter-free heating and cool to the touch, easy lift tabs. The middle stalk of the removable steamer basket stays cool so you can lift food out after cooking. Made from 100% virgin plastic, this BPA and phthalate-free food storage container is dishwasher safe when placed on the top rack, microwave safe with the vent open, and safe for storing in fridges and freezers. Top reviews from the United States. Great addition to any kitchen. Cooks lovely, tasty veggies. I really like it when you buy a new thing and almost overnight you start to use it every day. Which is what happened when I bought mine. So far, I've had it a few months, it seems very tough, and it keeps turning out lovely veggies. I'm not a fan of mushy overcooked vegetables you can get if you boil them in a pan, and then get distracted by almost anything, but with these go in the microwave for a set time means it's much easier. And that's pretty much all you have to do, apart from add some water. So easy.